You know the biggest deal breaker with portable projectors? The picture's usually fine, but the audio, honestly, it usually sounds like it's coming out of a tin can. It ruins the whole movie vibe. But Epson is trying to fix that. This is the Epic Pop Plus from their Lifestudio line. It promises 4K cinema quality and, for the first time, a sound system engineered by Bose built right in. But is it actually worth the $750 price tag, or is it just marketing hype? I've been testing it out, and the answer might actually surprise you. First, let's talk hardware. This black model is super sleek. It doesn't look like that boring gray box from your high school classroom, and it doesn't feel like a cheap toy either. It's solid, weighing in at about 3.8 pounds. The whole concept here is lifestyle, meaning you grab it from the living room, take it to the bedroom, or bring it outside for a movie night. The build quality is premium, and it feels like a piece of gear that's going to last. But let's get to the good stuff, the actual experience. Running the show here is Google TV. No weird laggy interfaces or workarounds. You get native Netflix, Disney+, YouTube, it just works right out of the box. Now, about the picture, Epson calls this 4K PRO-UHD. Translating the tech speak, it uses pixel shifting technology to put a 4K image on your wall. And being totally honest, the sharpness is incredible. Text is crisp and you can easily read subtitles. The secret sauce here is the 3-chip 3LCD engine. Unlike cheaper DLP projectors that use a color wheel and can give you that weird rainbow effect, the colors on this thing are just as bright as the white light. The saturation is beautiful. And the audio? Guys, Bose isn't messing around. Forget about needing a soundbar. For a bedroom or a dorm, the sound is rich, the bass is actually there, and it fills the room. It is hands down the best all-in-one solution I've tested in this price range. However, nothing is perfect, and I need to be real with you so you don't waste your money. The Epic Pop Plus puts out 700 lumens of brightness. What does that mean in the real world? It means this does not replace your TV if you have windows open at noon. The sun will wash out the image. This is a machine built for movie nights. It shines when you close the blinds or dim the lights. If you're trying to watch football in a sun-drenched living room, stick to a TV. But in the dark, it makes 150 inches look like a legitimate theater. So here is the bottom line. At around $750, the Epic Pop Plus is going head-to-head with the Samsung Freestyle and other portables. It wins on color accuracy thanks to that 3LCD chip, and it absolutely destroys the competition when it comes to audio quality. It is the perfect setup for apartment living, students, or anyone who wants a massive 4K screen without dragging wires across the room. If you dig the concept, I'll drop the official Amazon link in the description below. That's the best place to check the current pricing and see if there are any coupons running today. Click that link, check out the specs, and let me know in the comments. Would you swap your TV for this setup? Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.